Restaurants that are using Toast POS are leaving in droves. And the system they're choosing to replace it with most is Square POS. And I'm going to tell you 7 reasons why owners are leaving and why you should maybe think of doing the same thing if you are currently using Toast. Hey, how you doing today? Dave Allred, the Real Barman here from barpatrol.net for inventory management and therealbarman.com for all things bar and restaurant. Okay, here's the deal. Toast is a very good POS system technology-wise. All right, most restaurant owners and staff are very happy with the way it operates and the ease of use. Okay, however, there are constant complaints about the company itself. All right, let's take a look at why Toast users have become so unhappy and why they are moving to Square. Okay, in fact, if you have any personal experience of your own with Toast, please leave a comment and let others know. All right, and by the way, if you do want to take a look at Square, click the link in the description or up here to sign up for a demo with them. And if you use the link and you do end up going with them, Square will give you up to $2,500 off the hardware just for being friends with yours truly, the Real Barman. All right, Square has truly caught my attention with everything they've done over the past 12 to 18 months to become a dominant player in the POS market. So I would take a serious look at them. All right, here we go. Reason number 1, people are leaving Toast for Square. Pricing is not transparent. And this is probably the number 1 complaint. Okay, because many of the restaurant owners say that they are initially quoted one price, but after implementation, they discovered additional costs for things like software modules, online ordering, loyalty, marketing, payroll, scheduling, additional terminals, handhelds, kitchen displays, processing fees. Okay, several independent reviews and restaurant owner discussions talk about how Toast advertised pricing doesn't reflect the true all-in monthly cost once add-ons are enabled. Okay, they're not even close. Okay, once all the required modules are finally activated, monthly costs can exceed like $1,000, $2,000, or even more for a single location. All right, on the other side, Square's pricing is much easier to understand. Software pricing is published online, agreements are month to month, and less customization is required to get a quote. Okay, owners can estimate simple costs without calling in and talking to them multiple times. Okay, with their plans like Square, Restaurant Plus, and Premium, you can bundle more functionality into fewer subscription tiers. And you can see here, it's only $49 per month or $149 per month for those plans. And with the Square Premium, you get unlimited POS devices and no per terminal software charges. Okay, this becomes a major cost savings for mid-size and larger restaurants. Okay, reason number 2, Square has caught up to Toast. And I'm talking with features and technology and functionality. And Toast used to be way ahead of Square here, but not anymore. Square has closed the gap and it delivers similar or better functionality at a fraction of the total cost while providing a true all-in-one ecosystem that allows restaurant owners to run nearly every aspect of their business from a single platform. Does that make sense? Okay, there's no longer a reason to stay with Toast and pay a ridiculous amount of money for the same technology that you can get from Square now. All right, reason number 3, Toast nickel and dimes you through add-ons. And this is where most restaurant owners start to get really pissed. In order to get everything you need, you're talking extra charges for online ordering, delivery integrations, loyalty, marketing, payroll, scheduling, gift cards, all that stuff that we mentioned before. And basically every feature requires another monthly fee. And as I already mentioned, with Square's all-in-one ecosystem, you get most features natively, including the online ordering and the gift cards, the customer database, the loyalty, the marketing, and there's an app marketplace for integrations. Square's ecosystem is far more predictable from a budgeting standpoint. All right, reason number 4, long-term contracts and processing lock-in. This is a major talking point here. Okay, Toast requires merchants to use Toast payments, which isn't unusual in the POS, system these days. This is what they do is you have to use their payment processing, but you get locked in for the long term. And most contracts are usually 1 to 3 years, with Toast pressuring restaurants to sign the 3-year contract, which is very difficult to get out of. Okay, Square is month to month, has no long-term processing contract, no early termination fee, and it provides an easier migration path. Okay, if you value flexibility, this is a significant selling point. All right, reason number 5, customer support frustration. Toast customer support is, it's average, but as they continue to grow, complaints continue to increase. It's getting worse and worse. This includes long wait times, escalation delays, generic or unhelpful responses, and just simple difficulty getting ownership of complex issues. Okay, now, historically, Toast was considered stronger in restaurant support than Square, but Square's dealer and reseller network has changed all of that. Okay, many merchants now prefer having a local Square dealer that they can call directly than a national support queue. All right, Square is now winning in the support department over Toast. Reason number 6, the 99-cent online order fee controversy. I don't know if you heard of this. I actually made a video on this, which you can watch up here if you wish. I made the video because I was as pissed off about this 99-cent fee that they implemented as the restaurant owners were. Okay, it was shady as hell, and it exposed Toast as the unethical company that many were accusing them of being. Okay, it created a ton of backlash and destroyed the trust that owners had in Toast, as it should. Okay, I am personally not a fan of the people behind the system. I think they are shady. I mean, come on, as a business, take care of your people. I don't know what they're doing. All right, reason number 7, people are leaving Toast for Square, easier training and simplicity. Square wins here with independent restaurant owners simply because it has an easier user interface, it has faster onboarding, simpler reporting, and reduced training requirements. Okay, training new employees is significantly faster on Square than on Toast. Okay, so what it comes down to is that Square has closed the gap on the features and the technology that Toast used to have over them. Square has gone away from the traditional POS model of having a basic monthly subscription fee and then charging a boatload for add-ons, which most owners never see coming. Okay, instead, Square has what they call truth in pricing, which means you actually get what you're quoted for. And for $149 per month, you get a long list of features and unlimited devices all included. Okay, this is saving restaurants thousands and thousands of dollars, and they're getting an all-in-one ecosystem that they're very happy about. Okay, so sign up for a demo to see if Square is right for you. Use the link in the description to get the special offer so you can save even more money. Okay, and then let us know your experience with Toast in the comments, and if you switch to Square, let us all know how that's going as well. Okay, thanks for hanging out with me today. I do appreciate it. I'm going to see you next time. I'm out.